Understanding seal replacement, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, seal replacement. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it has specific contexts where it is used, which we will explore. So, let's get started. Seal replacement is a compound noun, where seal and replacement come together to form a specific meaning. A seal in this context refers to a device or substance used to close off or fasten something, typically to prevent liquid or gas from escaping. Replacement means the action of replacing something. Combined, seal replacement refers to the act of removing an old seal and installing a new one. This phrase is commonly used in mechanical and technical fields. For example, 1. Plumbing, replacing the seal in a faucet to prevent leaks. 2. Automotive, changing the seal on a car's engine parts. 3. Electronics, replacing seals in waterproof devices. Understanding the context helps in comprehending the phrase better and knowing when to use it. To expand your vocabulary, here are some related phrases and synonyms. Gasket replacement. Gasket is another type of seal, often used in engines. Renewing a seal, this means the same as replacing a seal. Seal repair, though similar, repair might not always mean complete replacement. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, seal replacement, and its various applications. Remember, context is key in understanding English phrases. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.